For a 3-bedroom bungalow design, here is the material which is required to build and furnish one of its bathroom. The wall tiles, which is white and has a grid style, one of it costs around 6,500 naira, so that is 10,000 naira per meter square. For the floor tiles, we use a grey finish. So this is an anti-slip ceramic tiles which cost around 12,000 naira per meter square. We have the shower set. This is a kind of black shower set and also has a hand shower. So this cost around 90,000 naira for this brand. We have the wall hung WC that is hanging on the wall. This design cost around 250,000 naira for the wall hung WC. We have the wash basin with a cabinet. So this is a simple white wash basin and it has a cabinet. One of it costs around 120,000 naira for a standard one. For a premium one is 150,000 naira. We have a mirror with a LED light which is illuminated. Once you touch it, it costs around 90,000 naira for one. We have floating shelves which we have bought. You can get it at a range of 20,000 to 40,000 naira for one of these shelves, but we have bought these ones at the rate of 40,000 naira. We have different toilet accessories such as the toilet roll holder which cost around 15,000 naira. We have the black towel rail which cost around 12,000 naira. We have the more plants which we are going to incorporate into the bathroom which cost around 10,000 naira per each. For the total of this bathroom finish, for us to be able to get this type of look, we'll spend a total of 650,000 naira depending on the luxury. But for the basic luxury which we have put here, 650,000 naira is our estimated cost. Kindly like the video and share to your friends and family. Show them this type of bathroom design. If they feel like it's something they'll do, the design is always available for you to be able to use.